guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Okunnuga and you're welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll show you a quick way you can wear a protective hairstyle when going to bed. Maybe probably you don't know how to cornrow, you don't know how to flat twist. Let's just get right to it, guys. Okay? First thing I'm going to do is just part my hair into four. I'll be using this to part my hair. Either you use a cotton comb or you use this. So I just prefer to use this. Now I already put my hair into two. Cut this into two. You don't have to just measure it, just do it the way you can just part your hair easily. Okay, now guys, I'm done with parting my hair into four. So I'm just going to take the back section first. I separated it into three. Now I'm taking it back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to be doing a big braid. This. Now I'm taking the front section on this side, dividing it into three rather as well. And it shouldn't be too hard on the front hair, so you shouldn't pull it too hard. Now I'm done with the front too. Can either leave it that way or just roll it in. So I'm doing this part too. Now I'm doing the front parts into three, back and forth, back and forth. Don't forget not to pull the front too much. Shouldn't be too hard on it since it's just a protective hairstyle to go to bed. So now I'm through with it. Can you say I hope you find this video helpful? Give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.